Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have studied in our last session students? Yes, we have studied one new concept, that is estimate sums. So with that we have completed our exercise 2.4. So today we will see something same but what it is? Estimating differences. In sums, estimating sums we have done addition, but whenever you see the difference means subtraction. See one example that given. One box contains 182 buttons. Okay, how many buttons are there? 182 buttons. And the other box contains 146 buttons. In other box, how many buttons are there? 146. So estimate the difference in the number of the buttons in two boxes. Now we have to find out the difference. Difference means you have to do the subtraction. So before that, what we have to do? To estimate 182 minus 166, round the numbers to the nearest tens and subtract. Okay, they are given, round off to the nearest tens and subtract. So just recall your memory how we will do rounding off to the nearest tens. See, whenever you are doing rounding off nearest tens, underline the ones place. See what is there? 2. 2 is less than 4. So place the 0 at ones place without changing tens place. So it is 180. And see this rounding off number 146, 6 is there on ones place. So if it is 5 or more than 5, what we will do? We will place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. So that is 4 plus 1 is 5 and 1 as it is. So 150. Now we will do the subtraction. 180 minus 150. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the difference is about how many buttons? 30 buttons. Now this is the estimating difference. Now we will see the actual buttons. How many that given? The actual button is 182 and 146. Now we will do the subtraction of this number. See, 2 minus 6 we cannot do. So cut the 2, write as it is and take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 8. He will give 1, 7 will remain. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the actual difference is 36. Here the difference came 30 and here the actual difference is 36. So see 36 and 30. How much difference is there? By 6. So the estimate differs from the actual by 6. Got it? Clear till here? Understood everyone? Yes students? Got it? Now we will start solving our exercise 2.5. What is the A question in 2.5? Estimate each difference to the nearest 10. Compare with the actual difference. Same. Only what is the difference? We have to difference here. Difference means we have to do the subtraction. Okay. Now we will do. Exercise 2.5. A question. In that second one I will take. What is the second one? 18 minus 38 it is. Okay. So what is the question? Estimate each difference to the nearest tens. This is very important. Nearest tens. Okay. So what we will do first? Yes students, tell me what we will do. First we will do the estimate sum, isn't it? So estimate and actual. First I will write here 80. Now already 80 is there. So they said we have to round off the numbers to nearest 10. Already 0 is there, so the round off number can be 80, rounding off. And what about 38? Now 38 is there. So whenever we are doing rounding nearest tens, yes, nearest tens means underline the ones place. See what is there on ones place. On ones place, what is there? Yes students, see what is there on ones place? 8 is there. If it is 5 or more than 5, what we will do? We will place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we will do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. So this is the difference. Now we will see the actual number subtraction. 80 minus 38. Now see, 0 minus 8 we cannot do. So cut the 0, write as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 8, he will give 1, 7 will remain. 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. So this is the actual sum. Now here is a 42 and here is a 40. So what we will do? 42 minus 40. 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 minus 4 is 0. So how we can write here? Yes, tell me how we can write? The estimate differs from the actual by how many? By, see, how many? 2. So write here 2. Got it? Clear? Clear till here? Shall we move for the next question? Yes students? We will move to the next question. Now I will solve fourth one for you. What is the fourth number? 914 minus 276. Now see, this is the question. Nearest tens we have to find out. Write the number. So whenever we are rounding off to the nearest tens, underline the ones place. What is there on ones place? 4 is there. If it is 4 or less than 4, place the 0 on ones place without changing tens place. So as it is. Got it? So 914 can be rounding off to the 910. Now what about next number? 276. So whenever we are doing rounding off to the nearest tens, so underline the ones place and see what number is given. They have given 6. So if it is 5 or more than 5, place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. So 7 plus 1 is 8 and 2 as it is. So 276 can be rounding off to the 280. Now we will find out the difference between both the numbers. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 8 we cannot do because 1 is smaller than 8. So 8 is greater number, so we cannot subtract. So cut the 1, write as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 9, he will give 1, 8 will remain. So 11 minus 8, count after 8 till 11 comes. 8 after 9, 10, 11. How many? 3. So write here 3. 8 minus 2, yes, 6. So what is the difference? 630. 30. Now we will see the actual difference. So the question is 940 minus 276. Now we will find out the actual difference. 4 minus 6 we cannot do, so cut the 4, write as it is, take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 1, he will give 1, so with him 0 will remain. So now 14 minus 6, count after 6 till 14 comes, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8. So write here 8. Now here 0 minus 7, can we? No, we cannot. So take borrow from neighbor, neighbor is having 9, he will give 1, 8 will remain. Now 10 minus 7 we can. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And here 8 minus 2 is 6. So this is the actual difference. Yes or no? Now we have to find out how much difference is there between this two, estimate and actual. So what we have to do? We have to subtract from greater to smaller. Which is greater? 638 and 630 we have to subtract. See, when we will do subtraction, 8 minus 0, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So how much difference is there? So you have to write the estimate differs from the actual by 8. Understood? Same. Previously in exercise 2.4 we were doing addition and here we are doing subtraction. Understood? Now I'll take next sum. We will solve now fifth one. What is the fifth one? 766 minus 212. Okay, this is the number. So write the number and find out the rounding nearest to tens. So whenever you are doing rounding off to nearest to tens, underline the ones place. See what is there. If it is 5 or more than 5, of course it is more than 5. So place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 as it is. The next number is 212. So underline the ones place. It is 2. So less than 4. So place the 0 at ones place without changing tens place and hundreds place. Okay. So this is the number. Now we will subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 1 is 6, 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is the estimate difference. We have find out it. Now next, actual difference now we will find out. 766 minus 212. Now see, tell me subtraction. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 1 is 5 and 7 minus 2 is again 5. So this is the actual difference. Now we will see how much difference is there in estimate difference and actual difference. So 560 minus 554. Okay. Now 0 minus 4 can be? We cannot. So cut the 0, write as it is, take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 6. He will give 1, 5 will remain. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 5, 0 and 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So, the estimate differ from the actual by how much? 6. Got it? Clear till here? So, everyone keep in your mind whenever you are doing estimating sums. So, first round off each value, then you have to do whatever they are given, whether addition or subtraction. Now we will start our B question from exercise 2.5. Same. What is the B question, students? So the B question is estimate each difference to the nearest 100. They say nearest 100. Now we have done nearest tens. Now in B question we have to do nearest 100 and compare with the actual difference. Same. So in this we will solve first one. Okay. What is the question? 686 minus 243. Now we will solve first one. Now nearest 100. First I will write the number here. So whenever we are rounding off to the nearest 100, we have to underline the tens place. So what is there on tens place? 8 is there. If it is 5 or more than 5, place the 0 at ones place and tens place. If it is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the hundreds place. So 6 plus 1 is 7. The next number 243. So nearest to 100. So underline the tens place. What is there? 4. If it is 4 or less than 4, place the 0 at ones and tens without changing hundreds place. So I will place 0 at ones and tens. So we should not change hundreds place, right, as it is. So it is 200. So 686 can be rounding off to the 700 and 243 can be rounding off to the 200. Now we will do the subtraction. We will find out the difference. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. So what is the estimate difference? Is 500. Now we will find out the actual difference with the actual numbers. 686 minus 243. Now tell me subtraction, students. 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is the estimate difference and this is the actual difference. But how much differs? We have to find out now. Which is greater, 500 or 443? Of course 500. So we have to subtract from 500 443. Now we will do the subtraction. We cannot subtract 0 minus 3. So cut the 0, write as it is. Take borrow from neighbor, but neighbor also don't have, so go with the next neighbor. 100 is having 5, he will give 1, here 4 will remain. Now he is having 10, he will give 1, 9 will remain. Now 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 4 is 0. So what is the differ between estimate and actual? The estimate differs from the actual by 57. Understood? Clear till here? Yes, students? Now I will take 2 more examples for you. Now I will take second one only. What is the second one? 6174 minus 3318. Okay. Now this is 4-digit number. I'll write first. Now we will round off to the nearest 100. So underline the tens place. It is 7. So more than 5. So place the 0 at ones and tens and add 1 to the hundreds place. So when we add 1 to the hundreds place, so 1 plus 1 is 2 and 6. The next number is 3318. Underline the tens place. It is 1. So less than 4. So place the 0, ones and tens without changing hundreds and whatever is there. So we should not change hundreds place. Okay. Now we will subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 3, we cannot do. So cut the 2, write as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 6, he will give 1, 5 will remain. Now 12 minus 3, count after 3 till 12 comes. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many fingers? 9. So right here 9. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is the estimate difference. Now we will find out the actual difference. The question is, actual numbers are 6,174 and the other number is 3,318. Now we will see the difference between actual number. 4 minus 8 can be? No, we cannot. So cut the 4 right as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. So neighbor is having 7. He will give 1, 6 will remain. Now 14 minus 8. Count after 8 till 14 comes. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 fingers. So right here 6. Now 6 minus 1. Yes, we can. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Good. The 1 minus 3. Again we cannot do. So cut the 1 right as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 6. He will give 1. 5 will remain. Now again 11 minus 3. Count after 3 till 11 comes. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 8 will remain. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is the actual difference. Now see which is greater number, 2,900. Okay. Now we will see the how much differs in estimate and actual. We have to do the subtraction. 0 minus 6 we cannot do. So cut the 0 right as it is. Take the next number. Again he is having 0. So we cannot do. Go with the next neighbor. Neighbor is having 9. He will give 1. 8 will remain. Now cut the. Now he is having 10. He can give 1. 9 will remain. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 8 is 0 and 0. So what is the answer here? So actually estimate difference is 2,900, but the estimate differs from the actual by 45. Understood till here? Now one more example I will solve, 5th one for you. What is the 5th one? See, 8,492 minus 5,046. Now write the number 8,492. We have to round off to the nearest 100. So underline the tens place. What is there on tens place? 9. If it is 5 or more than 5, place the 0 at ones and tens, add 1 to the hundreds place. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 8 as it is. So the next number is 5,046. Underline the tens place. It is 4. So if it is 4 or less than 4, we should place the 0 at ones and tens without changing hundreds place. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 5. Now subtract. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, also 5, 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is the estimate difference. Now we will find out the actual difference. So what is the actual number? 8,492 minus 5,046. Now 2 minus 6 we cannot do. Okay. So cut the 2 right as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 9. He will give 1. 8 will remain. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. And the 8 minus 4 is 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is the actual difference. Okay. Now we will find out the differ between actual and estimate. Okay. Now 0 minus 6 we cannot go to neighbor also don't have, so he will go with the next neighbor is having 5, he will give 1, 4 will remain. So now this neighbor is having 10, 10's place, so he will give 1 to the 1's place and here 9 will remain. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 4 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. So the estimate differs from the actual by 54. Understood till here? Yes, clear. So today we have completed our exercise 2.5 with these 3 sums. Now we will start one new concept, that is story sums on addition. Yes. So story sums on addition. Yes, you all have solved story sums in 3rd standard. Okay. Now we will see in 4th standard what type of story sums they are given. So what is the first example? A large public library has 23,456 books in English and 7,25,608 books in other language. So how many books are there in English? 23,456 and 7,25,608 in other language. So what we have to find out, how many books does the library have? Okay, so we have to find out how many books does the library have. So the total number of books is the sum of number of books in English and the number of books in other language. Now see this picture. See, what you have to do? First, you have to draw in this way one box. So in that, whatever given information is there, we have to make in the picture. So what you understand here? So already they said story sums on addition, so we have to do the addition, but by seeing the question also you should understand whether it is addition or subtraction. So just imagine, for example, 2 books are in English and 4 books are in other language. So how many books does library have? So automatically you are saying 6. What you have done? Yes, what did you do to get the answer? Yes, you have done the addition. So in the same way here also we have to do the addition. So books in English and books in other language, it's together we will get the total number of books which we have to find out in this question. So what you have to write? Number of books in English. Okay, how many are there? 23,456. And the number of books in other language, how many are there? 7,25,608. So to find out the total number of books, we have to add these numbers together. So addition, 6 plus 8 is 14, carry 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 4 plus 6 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 7 as it is. So the answer is 7,49,604. So how many books are there in the library altogether? See, 7,49,064 books are there in the library. Now, what is your today's assignment is? Exercise 2.5, you have to solve all the questions in your rub book. Practice it. Okay? And now we have started story sums. So there are 3 examples they are given in the textbook, page number 30 and 31. So just go through it. Tomorrow we will start with the remaining 2 examples and the next exercise. So till that time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.